so. Quick 5mm. Do the old go look. Do each one of them on the old pillar drill. Nice and easy. Like fucking so. Before a nice little cheeky chamfer on both sides. Like fucking so. Ready to take a thread. Right, so I've gone through with it. Transfer punch. Hey, look at that, it's fucking gleam. Yeah, gone through with the transfer punch. I've not gone on the outside because you're not going to get it, you wanker. There's tubing and then you're hanging out and there's stuff in the way. So yeah, they're going on the inside. That's where they're fucking going. What I'll do, I'll drill these through